Right, look at the entrance, so tiny, and I can come in here. Look at it, it's got high up there, beautiful flowstone. Yeah. Oh, look at that, untouchable. All right, beautiful formation of the stalactite. Oh, subhanallah, it's so beautiful. Allah Rabbi, Allah, mashallah, this is so beautiful. Oh, it's great. Oh, Allahu Akbar. It's so beautiful, ya Allah. Look at that. Nature never cheating you anything. Oh. Okay, actually we have the another entrance from to this cave. Yeah, it's quite high. Okay, it's quite high. We have to climb higher. This cave with a few chambers. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that, like a crocodile. Huh? Oh, Allahu Rabbi. Beautiful. I'm sure it's so beautiful cave. Allah Rabbi. Yeah. Look at that. What do we got here? MashaAllah. It's so beautiful. Like a stars. Dripping water. And we can see how most of the stalactite was performed, and the stalagmite from the floor grew up for another millions, probably thousand or million of years. These two things will be joined. So I'm so sorry about these videos. Camera in my hand, yeah. Phone camera. Look at it, shiny. Allahu Rabbi. Look at that, so beautiful. MashaAllah. Allahu Rabbi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the most beautiful part of the chambers, the most beautiful chambers of this cave, it was here. Ladies and gentlemen, it was here. It's so great. Look at that. Look at the stalactites, like stalagmite. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ya Allah. Sungguh indah ciptaanmu, ya Allah. Allahu Rabbi. Okay, there's another chambers, yeah? I have to go in there. I have to check carefully, everything carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most, oh Allahu Rabbi. The small pets in there. Sorry guys, I just want to share the beautiful stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, since today, I will call this cave 1,000 stars cave. Inilah gua 1000 bintang. Allahu Rabbi, yang tak dapat digambarkan betapa indahnya ciptaan Allah. Look at that. Inilah gua 1000 bintang. Masya Allah. Oh, look at, ladies and gentlemen, how beautiful of this cave. You won't believe me. If, Ya Allah, look at that. Alright. The most important part is here. Oh, definitely untouchable. That's why we can have this. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Allah.